From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 18th problem of 2025 WAEC Mathematics OBJ says the interior angles of a triangle are in a ratio 2:5:8. Find the difference between the smallest and the largest angles. So one thing you know about ratio is you have a set of numbers that when you reduce it to its lowest term, it gives rise to a ratio. So you cannot reduce it further. So let's say let x be the common term among all these. Let x be the common factor before division. So it means 2 times this x plus 5 times this x plus 8 times this s should give rise to 180, because you know that in a triangle the sum of all the angles are 180. So this is 2x, 5x, and 8x. So we look for what s is. 2s plus 5s is 7s plus 8s is 15x equals 180 divided by 15. And we find that x is 12 degrees. Now, the largest angle, will be 12 times 8, which is 96 degrees. The smallest will be this, 2 times, or 12 times 2, which is 24. So the difference is simply 96 minus 24 degrees, which is 72 degrees. And it is D. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.